Hello everyone. Today we have presentation on quantum computers. This video presented by Nagamaningam. Okay, now let's start the topic. First, what is quantum computer? A quantum computer is a machine that performs calculation based on laws of quantum mechanics, which is a behavior of particles at the subatomic level. Quantum computing take advantage of strange ability of subatomic particles to exist in more than one state at any time. Due to the way the tiniest particles behave, operation can be done much more quickly and use less energy than classic computer. Classical computing. A bit is a single piece of information that can exist in two states, either 1 or 0. Quantum computing use quantum bits or qubits instead. These are quantum system with two states. However, unlike a usual bit, they can store much more information than just 1 or 0 because they can exist in any superposition of these values. Okay, let's move here another topic. What are qubits? So as you already might know, the computer that you all are using right now, the operating system and the motherboard, consists of 0 and 1s. In quantum mechanics, it is different. Quantum mechanics, we use qubit. A qubit that is basic unit of information in quantum computer. It has something, a particular or electrons. For example, that allow two possible state, and while it is an superposition quantum computer and specially build the algorithm harness the power of both these states. Okay, let's move on to another topic. So good question. How do they work? Do computer actually work? Quantum computer perform calculation based on the probability of an object state before it measured. Okay, so it predict what you gonna do. So the can computer is fast. Instead, just ones or zeros, which means they have potential to process exponentially more data compared to classical computer. Okay, let's move on to another topic. The challenge of quantum computing. Quantum computing is still early stages, and there are many challenges to need to be overcome. This include developing the algorithm that can take advantages of the power of quantum computing, as well as building reliable quantum computers. Okay, let's move on to another topic. Advantage of using quantum computer. Quantum computing is said to be power efficient. That modern computing through the use of quantum tunneling. They are expected to reduce the power consumption from 100 to 1000 times. Okay, let's move on to another topic. Okay, so quantum computing better than AI. Quantum computing could be more dangerous than artificial intelligence if sufficient regulation is not put in the place around the technology. A prominent academic has warned. However, with quantum mechanics already emerging from laboratories into the real world,